So once you've created your meeting, you can return to this meeting space by clicking the virtual classroom icon. And at this point, we would either have put this link in a calendar or on a news feed posting or an activity feed posting. For now, I'm going to come back here to launch it because you have to actually launch the meeting. So I've set it up to start now. I'm going to click launch, and now it'll take me in. Now, if I wanted to copy this link and share it, I can, and then I can send it out to an email to anyone from outside of my D2L space that I would like to bring in. I'll enter the meeting room, and it's going to go through a couple of settings right now. So it's going to check my microphone, and I'm just going to proceed through this right now. So you would proceed through all the settings. This takes a moment.
You are currently the only person in this conference.
So I'm going to stop that recording for now, but the recording starts automatically because I did set it up that way. So a couple of key features spaces that we'll show you in this next tutorial before we actually get into working within Bongo. So there is a chat area where you have conversation with your participants occurring in this space. You have the ability to do a few things here. You can share your screen. So therefore, you could record a Google presentation or any slideshow any way you'd like from your desktop, any tool you'd like. So you could be showing a Padlet that you have on another tab, etc. This video menu will put your face on, or your participants could put their face on so that you can see yourselves talking to each other. This turns off our chat, and this is to mute ourselves. We also have the ability to upload a PowerPoint presentation in here or to initiate a poll, and we have the ability to mute other participants through this tool, which is actually quite an important one when you are presenting. Then we have the whiteboard tool, which is a great space. So we have our whiteboard here, so we can do any drawing that we like. We have an annotation ability. We can type text. It's a great tool. We can pen directly on it. So this is great for doing some forms of direct instruction. We can obviously have a tutorial go on here, mathematical discussion, solve a problem. It appears that we have some multi-user ability so that others could join in the penning feature, which is great. That annotation feature is awesome, and you'll be able to use it in a number of different ways. So we have a number of different shapes that we can include on, again, probably lending towards the math conversation. But again, this ability to ink directly on and give some form of feedback is very important. So those are the key features within Bongo that we want to stress. And then over in our settings, we have the ability to end meeting and leave, and then a couple of other key settings that we can do. Closed captioning is a new feature that we can add. And with respect to participants, we can lock different format features if we would like. Closed captions can be turned on or off. So this is a quick run through of the various tools that are within. When we get into actually using it, we can do another demonstration, which will be the focus of the next tutorial.